Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to automatically switch to light or dark theme in Vivaldi browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Vivaldi browser on your Windows PC. Then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner, and in the drop down menu select this one settings option. Under Vivaldi settings, select themes in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to this one theme schedule. Here select manual schedule, and now adjust the dark and light theme using this one slider. This will automatically activate light or dark theme when time reaches to your specified schedule.